Hey everyone, welcome back to August Drums. Today I'm going to take a break from the studio, going to head out into the garage, and I'm going to give the August Drums van some much needed love, specifically the steel wheels. This is a 2000 Dodge Ram 1500, and as you can see, the wheels have seen better days. They've got some rust on them, they don't have much shine, and they got a lot of grime on them. So I'm going to be doing these, be getting the rust off them, and the other ones over here are actually worse. The center caps are messed up too. I don't know, we'll figure it out. We'll get it squared away. But this is what I'm going to be working with. This is a grinder from Harbor Freight. It was like 12 bucks. We got our primer and paint, a mask, and some safety glasses, some sandpaper, and a wire brush in case we need that. So I'll probably be doing these. I don't have time to do it all in one day, so I'll be doing parts of it. But we're going to start here with the front right tire. And we'll see how this one comes out, and we'll just keep going and see what we got here. Alright, we're going to use a little Dawn, a little scrubby. Alright, the wheel's all cleaned off. So now we're going to start grinding out some of that rust. It's not really too bad. But we'll work on that here and see how she turns out. Alright, I cleaned it off. I'm going to do some alcohol on it to make sure it's clean for paint.
Make it get wild. Make it get wild.
All right, the first attempt was just a bust. I mean, I had it laying flat, just like the YouTube video I watched, and the guy's just going around the wheel and not having any problems, and it comes out like perfect. But when I do it, it's like every time I try to make a pass with the paint, it sputters, because I have the can pointing down, so it's sputtering, I'm getting air, and it just comes out horrible. So it just came out horrible. So I had to re-scuff it up, and I propped the wheel up, which, I mean, you would I guess that's common sense. I don't know. So I propped the wheel up, and so now I can get even streams because the paint comes out. I mean, imagine that. I don't know why it works on a YouTube video, but anyway, so I scuffed it up, I cleaned it, I sanded it by hand too, and I did one coat of primer. So it already looks 10 times better. I mean, the primer went on pretty smooth. So I don't think I need to do a second coat because I still have some primer from the last time on there. So I'm just let it dry about 10 minutes and come back and see how it comes out now. So it already looks better. So let's see what we got here. All right, working on the back tire. I used a different primer. Just use like a regular primer, not that filler primer. So I got 2 coats of that, and now we'll do start laying down paint. I'll do 3 coats of the metallic. All right, well, I got this side done. I ran out of metallic paint because I had to do the front rail over again, but I think it's a big difference. Again, it's not perfect, but I mean, it definitely makes a difference. So it's not a lot of work, just got to get the program down. Now I got it down, so it should be pretty easy to do the other side. The other side's actually worse, but yeah, I'm happy with the way it turned out. So I'll do. All right, so we're gonna work on the driver's side now. These wheels, well, this back wheel doesn't even look that bad, but the front one's definitely bad. But we'll move this one real quick. Not too bad. Look at this one though. This one's in pretty bad shape. So we're gonna try to bang this out today and get this project done and behind us. So here goes nothing. at the next one.